Hey there, these are the three core components you need to learn and do to master machine learning. So, the first component is concept. You first need to learn the concepts in machine learning, such as supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, overfitting, underfitting, feature engineering, etc., etc., and also about the models. Then, you need to learn the tools like Python, NumPy, Pandas, Selenium, etc. Right? There is a lot of tools that we use in machine learning. So you need to learn the tools. Then it's projects. So then you need to do projects in different categories like classification, in regression, in clustering. You also need to do a project related to recommendation system, time series, anomaly detection, and there is some more that you can, just a Google search will tell you.